So such kind of experience I never had. And now we are in Koh Lipe, near to immigration.
Show me digital arrival card. Okay, look your passport,
Not. Hi guys, welcome back to Mansoortastic. So today I will show you how you can go from Langkawi to Koh Lipe, Thailand. So right now I'm near to Jetty, which is located in Langkawi, of course. Behind me you can see it's a very famous place called Dataran Langkawi, and the jetty is direct located near to this. In case if you have some time extra, then you can go to Dataran Langkawi and can have some nice pictures. And there is a very famous statue of an eagle, which is very famous in Langkawi. So you definitely, if you are in Langkawi, you have to take picture with this statue. So as I mentioned before, this jetty is not far away from Dataran Langkawi. I already bought ticket online because many people told me that it can be that you will not get any ticket from the counter. So I paid almost 150 ringgit online from Langkawi to Koh Lipe, but now I'm going to ticket counter and I will ask if they have some ticket available to Koh Lipe and what does it cost, so you guys also know if you have to buy it online or if you want to buy it directly from here. Let's go to the counter and ask them what's the price of ticket. So let's find out if we can buy ticket directly from here. You will find a lot of shops here. There are KFC, there are Subway, everything is available here. So here is the ticket counter. Excuse me, to Koh Lipe, ticket is available for today. What's the price? 160 ringgit, 2 o'clock. Okay, thank you. Ticket price is almost same, and I would say also expensive as compared to if you book online. I have to check how much totally I paid. I think it was less than 160 or maybe less than 150. So in case if you are in Langkawi and you want to get ticket directly, so you can come directly here. You will be able to find a ticket. Otherwise I would suggest that you should buy online because online is cheap. Normally in some islands the jetty will be very small. It will not be so big like here in Langkawi, but Langkawi is a touristic island. That's why they have made a very big jetty here. The same concept like an airport. You will have a domestic arrival, you have international departure.
International, this one they go to Koh Lipe.
Koh Lipe, yes,
Yeah,
Koh
Koh
Lipe.
Lipe.
At 2, I have to wait.
It's closed, right?
Close?
Now closed, you can wait in here.
At 2?
Yeah,
2 p.m.
Yeah, 2 p.m.
But over there it's closed, you have to wait here.
Yes, okay.
1 hour before they open.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Just sticker,
Yes.
this one sticker.
I have online ticket.
Okay, you go inside, Starbucks, and then up there, the office, you take sticker, same this one.
Starbucks.
Yes, Starbucks inside.
Okay.
And then you up there. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. So you have to get this sticker?
Yeah. And do you have a
okay.
ticket?
I have a ticket online. I bought online.
And now they give you a piece of paper.
Not yet.
No. Okay.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Okay, thank you. So you are also going to Koh Lipe?
Yeah.
Nice. Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain. Nice. Okay.
Go upstairs. Level 1 has got the office, and Led will give you this.
Okay. Thank you very much. So good. I did not know about it that you have to get a ticket like a boarding pass. I thought because I'm having this ticket, this should be enough. But no, you have to do a ferry check-in. We will do a check-in like airport. Hi, I'm traveling to Koh Lipe. Passport? Yes.
This one sticker for your shirt, yeah?
Okay.
Have you done Thailand Digital Arrival Card?
Yes.
Okay, you need to prepare 200 100 baht or 35 ringgit for national park fee later. Pay
Okay.
in cash when you arrive in Koh Lipe, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, by 12:45 you need to proceed to international departure down, sir.
12.
International departure down, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you very much. We got also one sticker and we have to stick on our t-shirt like this. So now we are ready to go to Koh Lipe. Just the issue is my ferry is going at 2 p.m. and you can see I'm sitting near to international departure, and right now it's 12, so they will open this gate at 12:55. So after 12:55, so 1 hour before we can go inside, we can do boarding. One more thing, you should have 35 ringgit cash with you. When you are in Koh Lipe, then you have to submit some national park something entrance fees. So this money you should have. I think they don't accept card, but we will ask them when we are there, and I already have cash with me. Hi. We have to keep our luggage here. They will deliver our luggage with the help of another boat. Thank you. That's a really crazy experience. I mean, I have been traveling around the world from quite long time now, and such kind of experience that we have to give up our passport before departure. So such kind of experience I never had. and now we are in Koh Lipe, near to immigration office, you can say, and we will get our passport from there. Let's see, and I think we have to pay 35 ringgit here too. So to get visa here, you have to fill the digital arrival card. You can scan here too. Hi.
Your country, sir?
German.
German. How many person?
One person.
Where your hotel?
Chick Lipe.
Chic. Show me digital arrival card. Okay. Look your passport, nah.
Not. This one, yes.
Okay. Go to immigration. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So we have to pay 35 ringgit there for national park, and that's what we will get. So now you guys can see our luggage is coming there. This one mine. Thank you. I think I can take this out. Okay, that was my experience which I shared with you, how you guys can come from Langkawi to Koh Lipe with ferry. I would say, I mean, my suggestion is whenever your boat arrives, try to come out early as possible. Don't sit in the front or don't go for window seat, otherwise have to wait a lot. I mean, if you sit somewhere at the end or at that corner where exit is very far away, then it will take time to come out, and then you have just seen that how many people were standing there and waiting for their passport. So it's quite hot here. And one more thing, whenever you come here, then you have to pay 35 ringgit national park entry. So it's quite hot here, but yeah, I think I will walk till my hotel and I will change my clothes because I'm wearing a very long pants, and in this weather you cannot wear such kind of pants. So later on I will explore Koh Lipe completely and I will make a good vlog about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I hope next time if you are traveling with ferry, this video can help you. Do subscribe my channel and like and share this video. See you next time. Bye bye.